Hello again. In the previous video we saw that a left join is taking all the rows from the left data frame and combining it with the rows that exists in the right data frame. The right join is exactly the reverse thing, and we saw also that to do a left join and a right join we can do it with the join and merge instance methods. In the part 1 we saw join, and here part 2 we will do with merge. Like in the previous video, DataFrame salary have the ID as a column and the DataFrame salary ID index have the ID as an index. For bonus is the same thing, underscore ID is a column, and in bonus ID index the underscore ID is a index. Okay, let's go to the code part that is a little down, going down. We have here our first left join. Okay, we need to specify the how parameter is equals to left, because for merge the default is inner. Okay, also we need to say that the columns or index that we want to merge are called ID. We have here a problem because in bonus ID index it is actually called underscore ID, so we need to change the value of this index. We go here and we say bonus ID index dot names is equals to a list with the name ID. With this we are changing the name of the index to be just ID instead of underscore ID. Okay, we can run this and we got this result, is what we expected. Also notice here that merge adds by itself for each column underscore x and here underscore y, so we know that these columns are from different data frames. Well, I said this is the option 1, so there is a second option. Let me comment this and let's go a little down where we have the second option and option 2. Let me uncomment the option 2. We have here two more parameters, left underscore on and right underscore on. They do exactly the same thing as on parameter, but for a specific target. The left underscore on refers to the salary and the right underscore on refers to the bonus. Okay, just that. With this we don't need to change the name of column of bonus. Okay, and let's see what we get from here. And we got what we expected. Okay, we have here the ID underscore ID, the name underscore x for the salary, the value underscore x for the salary, the name underscore y for the bonus, and value underscore y for the bonus again. Okay, notice here that we are doing a column on column. Okay, because we are using the salary and the bonus where the ID and the underscore ID are columns. Okay, but we can also do a column on index where we use the salary and bonus ID index. This underscore ID is an index, and a index on column where we use the salary ID index and the bonus. So here this ID is an index and this underscore ID is a column. Also we have here another example, index on index, and I want to explore this one. We have here the salary ID index and the bonus ID index, which means that this ID is an index and this underscore ID is an index. So let's run this, and for this case we got this error, key error ID. Well, I believe this is a bug of Pandas. I can be wrong, so keep in mind that you cannot do an index on index using the parameters left underscore on and right underscore on at the same time. We can still do the index on index using other parameter that we will explore a little further in this video. Okay, before seeing how to make index on index, we will see another thing that I think it's important. Let's comment this part and we go a little up, and I will paste here some code that is just for printing the three options that we had done. Okay, let's run these. As we expected, all the three options work. Okay, and here in the column on column, notice that we have here a column that is the ID and another that is the underscore ID. Everything is fine. Okay, then we have the column on index, and here we have a column that is the ID and the underscore ID disappears, okay, because it was an index, okay. If we go a little down, we have the index on column, and as you can notice here, we don't have the column ID, but we have the underscore ID, okay, because the column ID was an index. So every time that you are merging using the key index, that index will disappear, okay. So now we can see how to do an index on index. We go a little down where we have the code, and here we have the code for that. We are doing an index on index using a left underscore index that is equals to true. Basically, this says that we are using the index of this data frame to join with index or column specified by this right underscore on. Just that. The default for this parameter is false. We also have a right underscore index here. Let me run this. Everything working, okay. One thing that I want to show and notice here is that, for example, we can say that we are doing a left underscore index and a right underscore index. Both are true, okay. If we run this, it works again, and we have here the ID. Let me comment this one, and let's say that we are using the left underscore on ID, and again it runs perfectly. Maybe you didn't notice one thing. We have here the ID. These two last runs we had the ID, okay, but if we run this one, we have here the underscore ID, okay. I don't know if this is a problem for you. The values are in the right place except the name of this label, okay. So if this is important for you, keep in mind this happened, okay. Let's see the final exercise that is doing right join, okay, and instead of left we are using right, okay. And now we have here a new parameter, the suffixes. In this case, the columns from salary will end with underscore from salary, and the columns from bonus will end with underscore from bonus, okay. We can run these, and we have here name underscore from salary and name underscore from bonus. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos, okay. And as always, thank you for watching.